anyone, for me.
For
For
you, that
you.
is for you. Amen.
And I made my hair. Not catch. I'm saying catch because this year we are catching flight too.
Alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from
Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Happy New Year 2023. Damn, we made it. We made it to another new year. Another chance to do this life, to be great, to win, to experience, to learn. Yeah. Did you guys vukisha mwaka? I hope that you all had a good one during that. I had a good day and a beautiful crossover. So I'm about to cut these braids because, as you can see, they are bit, and I can't start off a new year with this bad hair. So I'm about to cut these, undo them, and go have my hair done today in the afternoon. And yeah, just see what else to do. Oh, also today I'll be going home at my mom's place because me and my siblings we collaborated and bought my mom a new phone. My mom needed a new phone because the phone that she's using now is so old, and nikaletwa to Safaricom, and we thought, in as much as she's not as into this digital era, she also needs a nice phone. So we got her the phone that we got her. I chose this phone for her because I unbox it because I'm actually supposed to wrap these up and buy a gift bag and a gift card for her, be in bed and then do this hair as I catch up on Emily in Paris season 3. It came out. That's what I've been catching up on. To be great this year, that I know for sure. We're about to be great. See you guys when you see me back here. I'm about to be consistent. That's one thing I've promised myself. I'm going to be consistent this year. I'm going to be intentional in creating content. Okay, I want to put effort into my creations. I want you guys to be enjoying my videos because I know sometimes I just do videos because I have to post. I don't put in as much effort as I should, and I know I have the capability, I have the capacity to do that. And that's all what 2023 is about for me in terms of content creation.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
present. Ebu guess what is this? Guess. Eh? Ai, simu. Ai. Kwani simu inakaanga hivyo? Ebu guess.
Hebu nisome hapo.
Eh? Itaitwa?
Atenda.
It is item. You start the year with style. So welcome. Inamisha hivi. Wewe, hii sasa hii yako.
Akimaliza shule mama atampatia kadogo.
Fungulia hapa. You unwrap your gifts. The 2023 gifts.
Amen.
Hakuna.
Mimi naomba nipatiwe earphones. Najua mama atatumia earphones.
Nilikuwa naona najifanya kama sishikanishi. Nilikuwa naona najifanya sishikanishi.
For you.
For you.
Amen. Amen.
Sasa ni utoe hii. That is a new gadget. Na hii simu si yenu.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no
Hi guys, I've just from cleaning and I feel like I need to eat something. I don't have food stuff in here, so I'm just eating myself. I figure out my jacket, so I just went out of the
we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Hi guys, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to a continuation of a vlog, I think. So yeah, I think it's a continuation of a vlog. Today is a Monday, January 2nd, 2023. Happy New Year to you again. If you didn't catch my last video, and if you did not catch my last video, kindly go back and watch that video. I know you're seeing me in bed and you're thinking it's in the morning. No, it's not in the morning. It's actually 5:16 p.m. Yeah, I'm just in bed lazing because I feel like doing that before we get back to work, like seriously. Yeah, so today I was actually working overtime. We were not going to work today, it's a holiday, but I chose to work overtime because of course we need that extra coin. And it's 7:75, so already masaa ya kazi imeisha. I'm about to get up from bed, tidy up my bed because of course it's a little bit messy. Not that messy though. I have popcorns. I made popcorns in the house earlier today and I was eating them from bed, so kuna some mess I've created. I want to do that. Then I'm going to go and catch not catch. I'm saying catch because this year we are catching flights. I want to go and head into the shower, take a shower. I'm actually supposed to boil maize. Nafaa kuchemsha mahindi na niende minji nikuje nipike mukimya minji. But yeah, I'm going to fix that in a few. So first of all, I head into the shower, take a shower, then nidondoe mahindi, niekele kwa jiko. As they boil, I go and get minji outside. The good thing with where I live, kuna tu soko tu karibu. And I made my hair. I have these braids. They're cute, but they're still as delicate, but also they're still painful, but they're cute. Though I feel like the color red is a little bit shouting. I don't know what I was thinking nikichagua hii color, honestly. But you know what? I'm going to slay it. Lazima. So let me do that. Let me see the situation here. Me. But mimi si wale madema kukana kucha every month. This is not me. This clearly is not me. Tumebaki hivi so far. Tumebaki hizi mbili. And I'm not having nails on anymore. Acha nikae tu vile nimezoea kukaa. with my natural short nails. Ile siku nitaomoka niko na washing machine ama a cleaner, a house manager, hiyo time nitavaa.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25.
So I got this jar. This is a gratitude jar. These jars, kitambo nilikuwa na feel they are overrated because everyone has them, and I was like, nah, I won't get them. But after I got these, I feel like they are really cute, and I might also get myself more to put my food stuff, especially pasta. So I got these, and I intend to use this as a gratitude jar, whereby I'll be writing things that I'm grateful for. So I started doing this. I already have one in here. This I put ilikuwa ya being me grateful for 2022 being a great year, and now this is to begin this year 2023. I was supposed to put this here yesterday, but I forgot, and today just bado sana. So this is where we're beginning the year, and that's the second note. And I pray that I'm going to feel my gratitude piece of papers in here, and by the time of the year the year comes to an end, I'll come back here and check these and go through everything that will be in here and be grateful. So guys, that's it. Let me now get into the shower, take a shower, and now do whatever else I'm supposed to do and relax because tomorrow is a work day. See you.